Hello everyone, welcome to Educate Nexus. In today's lesson, we will look at how to insert graph into your CE Engine report. Today, we will be designing pie chart and bar graph of some environmental problems with their various percentages. So now, let's begin with the design process. To insert graphs or charts into your Word document, first of all, click on the Insert tab and select Charts. This opens a pop-up menu with a long list of charts you can select from. Select the one you want and make the necessary editing to it. As you can see, our graph has been demarcated based on the inputted percentages. After designing your charts, select the right layout option. So here I'm going to use the top and bottom layout option. This layout option helps me to keep my chart on a different layer from the text. And I'm going to click on Fixed Position on Page. This helps me to keep the image or the chart on a fixed position, and it prevents it from moving along with the text. So since we are done with the design of a pie chart, we move to the design of a bar graph or a bar chart. So it follows the same procedure just as any other chart. You just have to input your appropriate values and format it to a form that you prefer, and you are good to go. As you can see, the above graph consists of 3 different classes, and the graph we are about to design is just a single class graph. So to do this, we eliminate or we delete the values in the columns that we do not need. So we are going to delete the values in the 2 columns and leave just one column. We then edit or format these values to our preferred choice. Don't forget that your graph is still editable after you are done with it. There are a lot of styles you can choose from. You can change the color of it. You can add more text. You can add or remove legends and do necessary editing to it.